Mice and Men, Chapter 2, Pop Quiz. Which character is missing a hand? Candy, Curly, or Carlson? Which character is described as someone who likes to fight? Crooks, Curly, or Slim? Which character says that he drowned a few puppies yesterday? Crooks, Slim, or Candy? Which word best describes Curly's wife? Angry, flirty, or funny? Which character wants to shoot Candy's dog? Lenny, Curly, or Carlson? Why is the boss annoyed with George and Lenny when they get to the ranch? They were supposed to be there earlier? They don't have the experience he wanted? Or they look like a couple of con artists? What does George find at his bunk that upsets him? Lice powder, mold, or dried blood? Why does Curly dislike Lenny? Lenny insulted him? Curly is jealous of Lenny's size? Or Lenny flirted with Curly's wife? What does George remind Lenny to do if he gets into trouble? Hide in the brush by the river? Fight back, even against Curly? Or go tell the boss? What is Candy's job on the ranch? He's a cook? He's a horse trainer? Or he's a swamper? What lie does George tell the boss? Lenny is his brother? Lenny is his cousin? Or Lenny is his son? What does the boss incorrectly assume about George? That he's taking advantage of Lenny? That he's not a very good worker? Or that he got fired from his last job? What animal kicked Crooks the stable buck, causing his back injury? A cow, a horse, or a mule? Which best summarizes the way Slim is described? He's an old-fashioned cowboy, he's a cruel and ruthless boss, or he's a funny and light-hearted leader? What excites Lenny towards the end of the chapter? He gets an extra helping of dinner, one of the other men gives him a blanket, or George is going to try to get him a puppy. How did you score?